friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you few sari styling designs with full sleeves blouse. There are many sari draping styles which look so elegant with long sleeves blouse. So continue watching the video till the end to see some trendy pallu draping styles with full length sleeves blouse. So how's today's video? I hope you find it interesting. If it's useful for you, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.